Off the coast of Crete, surrounded by the shimmering waters of the Aegean Sea, lies an island that holds both beauty and sorrow. Spinalonga, a place where sunlight meets silence and history whispers through ancient stone walls. At first glance, Spinalonga looks like a peaceful Mediterranean fortress, its golden walls rising above turquoise waters, its narrow paths winding through remnants of time. But behind its beauty lies a story that is both haunting and deeply human. Centuries ago, Spinalonga served as a Venetian stronghold, protecting the island of Crete from invaders. The fortress still stands, proud and weathered, a symbol of resilience and endurance. Yet its most poignant chapter began in the early 20th century, when the island became a leper colony. From 1903 until 1957, those suffering from Hansen's disease were sent here, isolated from the world, yet determined to create a life of dignity and hope. Within these walls, they built a community. They planted flowers, opened shops, and even built a school and church. In the face of despair, they found beauty, and in isolation, they found strength. Walking through Spinalonga today, the silence feels almost sacred. The stone houses still stand under the bright Cretan sun, their doors and windows looking out to the vast, endless blue. It is easy to imagine the laughter, the music, the moments of courage that once filled these streets. As the waves gently break against the shore, the island tells its story without words, a story of pain, survival, and redemption. Nature has reclaimed much of what time left behind, but the spirit of those who lived here remains, quiet, proud, eternal. From the Venetian fortress to the abandoned village, every step across Spinalonga is a step through history, a reminder that even in exile, humanity endures. Today, Spinalonga stands as both a memorial and a monument to resilience, to remembrance, and to the strength of the human heart. This is Spinalonga Island, Greece, an island of sorrow and beauty, a place where history still breathes and where the sea carries stories of courage through the winds of time.